Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, no unboxing, but we are going to talk some sneakers. Alrighty guys, before we get into today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And don't you forget to hit that bell, so that way every time I upload one of these videos, you're going to get notified. Without further ado guys, let us get straight up into this video. Today is just going to be a discussion on how you guys can cop the Futura Nike SB Dunk Lows and also the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s tomorrow, May 22nd, over on the Sneakers app. Now, right off the rip, guys, I want to set your expectations up, not for failure, but just so you guys know how these things rank as far as availability is concerned. Now, stock numbers are reportedly, now these are still rumors, nothing is official, obviously. Nobody, I don't think, really has the exact numbers. But as far as I am concerned, what I have been hearing is that the stock number as far as the Futura Nike SB Dunk Lows is going to be around 13,000 pairs, a little bit less than 13,000 pairs. Now, that is extremely limited, guys. Obviously, you know, we had some raffles, we had the Futura release, stuff like this, but unfortunately, I took an L on their official raffle. It was an EQL raffle, which I'm not mad about EQL raffles. I have won EQL raffles in the past, so I'm okay with that. Sometimes first come, first serve is just a nightmare, guys. So it's kind of pick your poison nowadays, right? It's first come, first serve. Maybe you feel like you have a better shot of getting them, but also you got to fight bots, stuff like that. When it comes to the EQL raffles, I'm sure some of these pairs are backdoored, right? But at least, I don't know, I've won, so it makes me feel like there is a possibility of winning. However, when it comes to these dunks on the Nike Sneakers app, guys, so like I said, launching tomorrow, it is going to be a draw. It's going to be a, probably a 10-minute draw. And it's going to happen, obviously, at 10 o'clock Eastern. Usually, that's the standard time. It usually, all draws go live, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be for $135. Obviously, retail I'm talking about. And yeah, pretty much that's basically it, guys. So here's the kicker, though, right? So it's about less than 13,000 pairs. And this thing is going to be a draw. But we have another highly anticipated sneaker releasing at the same day, same exact time. We're going to get into it. Alright guys, so that is not the only sneaker releasing tomorrow. What else is releasing tomorrow? Well, of course, it's the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. Also going to be releasing tomorrow, May 22nd, on the Sneakers app, 10 a.m. Eastern. This is also going to be potentially a 10-minute draw. It's definitely going to be a draw. Time frame is always, wonky on these things. Usually it's going to be a 10-minute draw. Retailing for $250. And guys, I hate to even tell you guys this, these things are much more limited even than the Futura dunks. That's right, guys. So stock has reported that these things is less than 6,000 pairs that's going to be dropping on the Sneakers app tomorrow. Now, I am not talking about worldwide numbers when I talk about stock numbers. I am strictly talking about the Sneakers app. Not talking about all the other raffles out there. I'm not talking about the atrocity that happened today on J Balvin's website, the whole password page, you adding it to the cart and it's saying that it's $25,000. Some people have these other, discount code you got to put in there, Medella24 @ symbol to bring it down to $250. I tried all that, guys. Was not able to cop. That thing was horrible. Now, like I said, guys, tomorrow on Sneakers is going to be a complete challenge for both of these sneakers. Best thing I can give you as far as advice on the Sneakers app is basically just have your size ready to go. Go over to your settings and make sure you have the correct size you want to enter in for, locked and loaded already. You don't want to have app glitches or anything like that. This app most likely is going to crash tomorrow. We have had hyped up releases in the past for just one shoe dropping. Two of the most highly anticipated sneakers in a while are dropping at the same day and time. I am shocked they are doing this as a draw at the same date and time. I was kind of hoping one would drop at 10, one would drop at 11. Gives you a window for, you to roll out your W's and L's and give other people opportunities. But if this thing freezes, guys, you may even miss out on 2 chances of even entering in for these sneakers. So first thing, make sure you guys have your size, make sure your email is all good, your address is all locked and loaded, and do not forget to update your app, guys, because if you don't update your app, there also can be glitches and bugs that you will occur that, you know, obviously when they push out these updates, it's supposed to help refresh and, you know, fix glitches and stuff like this. So make sure you guys are updating your app I would say the morning of, because who knows, they might push one out in the morning. Make sure, you know, when you wake up in the morning, update your app, make sure it's all locked and loaded. That way, if you're going off to work and so on and so forth, you're ready to go. And other than that, guys, pretty much the only other advice I got is pray, because these things are crazy limited. You know, like I said, there's been a ton of raffles out there. You have had opportunities to try to get your pair of the Dunks so far. The raffles for a lot of these things for the Rio J Balvins are going to be concluding tomorrow, so still a couple of chances. I entered in about 15 raffles for these things. Other thing to note, Slam Jam, it is a EU website. That is going to go live tomorrow morning at like 3 a.m. So if you feel like waking up at 3 a.m., try to go for them things and try to cop. Good luck that site gets botted as well. But if you're an early bird, gets the worm, maybe you can get the worm tomorrow. With all that being said, guys, I want to wish each and every one of you very good luck for tomorrow. I'm hoping I can cop a pair for retail. I can get it in hand, unbox it, review it for you guys. Other than that, retail or bust for me, honestly, tomorrow. I'm not trying to spend, you know, resale on either one of these sneakers. If the price drops, you know, drastically, maybe into like a $300 price point, because you got to realize the J Balvins are already at $250. Some people, after taxes and shipping, depending on what raffle site, it's gonna be up to that $300 price point anyway. So if you can snag these things for $300, I feel like that's okay. I'm not spending anything over that. And then the Futura Dunks seem like they do keep coming down. I have seen some pairs selling right now for like $370, $375. Now it's a $135 shoe. So there is some money to be made as far as that is concerned. But, you know, like I said, for me, honestly, retail or bust. Like I said, guys, if you did enjoy this info, I try to, you know, push out some info for you guys. If I get any other updates or alerts, I will be dropping a short just to, you know, update you guys with all the latest and greatest information. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload one of these bangers. All that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Good luck with all of you tomorrow, and I'm out. Peace.